Hi and welcome, Lisa here with a product reveal for the Whimsy Stamps Slimline Haunted Graveyard die set. Now this die set has a total of 5 dies. The largest die cut measures 8 and 5/8 of an inch long. The circles cut out a solid center with a thin frame. The largest circle measures 2.5 inches wide with the frame around that solid center. And you have 3 small bats included in this as well. Now, you can cut this down to accommodate A2 cards, mini slim lines, and other sizes. And you'll see an A2 card I share at the end of the video. Use black cardstock to create a silhouette for an eerie ink blended night sky, or use your favorite inks to color white cardstock. Either way, you can create clean and simple cards or grungy, creepy cards. The choice is completely yours with the Slimline Haunted Graveyard die set. Whimsy Stamps does an amazing job at designing their products to pair perfectly with their previously released dies, stamp sets, paper packs, and embossing folders. Here you can see I cut the Slimline Cutout apart to use on an A2 card base and paired with the previously released Boo die set. Now my last sample, I used one of my favorites, Monsters Parade die set, along with the Eek word die and You're My Boo sentiment stamp set. Let me know what you think of the new Slimline Haunted Graveyard die set in the comments below. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group, and we would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, please take care.